Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris with another Food Pantry Haul.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
All right, we're going to start from left to right. It was a mini Food Pantry Haul today. A survival pack is what they call it. All right, we're going to start with some donuts they gave us. Ooh, this is nice, an assortment. I see a Long John, a multi-sprinkled. I don't know what the little twizzly thing is. And that's definitely a cinnamon roll. That is mine, Jay. Okay. We've got some honey whole wheat bread. You know, the funny thing is, you get the best stuff at the food pantries. Other people go, I don't want the healthy stuff. Well, guess what I do? Look at this, guys. We got eggs, and hold on. A dozen eggs, plus some cheese. Now, check this out. It is, if I can get this in focus. Oh, can you see that? Reduced fat and reduced sodium. People that don't know, let me educate you. This is some of the best tasting cheese and makes some of the best, you know it, macaroni and cheese. We got 2 boxes of that. I just use the noodles, as you know. I don't use the seasoning packet. Now over here, we got some mixed vegetables. Oh, I love these. No salt added. 2 cans of tuna. Some black beans. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to make a meal. You've heard of red beans and rice? Well, we're going to do black beans and rice. It's delicious. You can use sausage with it. You can use bacon, any type of meat, even pork chops, to spread it out a bit to make it very economical, okay? Diced tomatoes. Love those. Some sliced carrots. Low sodium. Love those. We got some sweet peas. Oh, whole kernel corn. Love me some corn. Absolutely. I've got some low sodium tomato soup. Endless possibilities with this. The pink salmon. I am going to do my seafood cakes, but I'm going to do them on the grill. You guys will love that. They're smoky. Some more mixed fruit. I feel another mixed fruit pie coming on. Ground pork in a can. Now, I have not used the ground pork before. I'm sure it's similar to the regular one. So we'll see what we do with that. Some spaghetti sauce. Love that. I don't think this is low sodium, but that's okay. I know how to work with it. Now, we got some creamy peanut butter and, of course, some jelly. Now, down here, whole bag of hazelnuts. Then we got some drumsticks, a whole bag. Oh, check it out. I'm putting those on the grill. These are going to go on the grill. I still have to show you all my Caribbean chicken, so that's what these are going to be. Now, these Alaskan pollock fish nuggets, these are excellent. You can fry these up or heat them up in your broiler to make them, less calories because all that oil. But these are delicious either way. With a salad or a vegetable on the side. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Got some oatmeal. Of course, some cereal for Jay. It's really good. You can use these to make a dessert. I promise I got to show you how to do that, okay? I've also got some elbow macaroni. This is great. And you know what they gave us? Liquid hand sanitizer and some laundry detergent. Wow. You never know what you're going to get at the food pantry. Let's take a pen. Oh, yeah. This came out really good. So, like I said before, don't be afraid to come to the food pantries. This was just a mini haul. This is what they call their survival pack, just to get you through till they have the big food pantry giveaways. All right. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Put down some of the recipes you'd like to know. This week, we are going to do budget-friendly meals. To expand that budget, that's right. All right, write to me at Uncle Chris, thefoodpantrychef.com. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. And come on, lose weight with me. So far it's 30 pounds. I'm trying for another 30. Big love from Uncle Chris.